Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS on cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS automatically. If you have a secure socket layer certificate SSL on your website, you can automatically redirect visitors to the secured HTTPS version of your site for a secure connection. Name.com hosting uses cPanel, and there is a simple tool in cPanel that will help you accomplish this. Enforcing SSL for main domain, startup hosting, so first step, log in into your cPanel. Then in the domain section, click the domain icon. As you can see guys right here in the picture, this is where you will find domains. First step is this will open a page where you can toggle the HTTPS redirect on or off. We recommend leaving it on. If there is no option to enable HTTPS, it's because that domain does not have SSL installed. First, make sure SSL is installed and the option will present itself. Your domain should now be using HTTPS. Enforcing SSL for add-on domains. Linux uses .hc access files to handle redirection. You may need to create a htaccess file, and you can use your control panel's file manager. Using the following code in your .htaccess file automatically redirects visitors to the HTTP version of your site. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.